What's changing with Social Security in 2025? Beginning April 14, 2025, the Social Security Administration, SSA, will roll out a new policy requiring some people to verify their identity in a person before they can access or change a certain benefits. This change is aimed at enhancing security and preventing fraud. However, not everyone is affected. The rule is significantly applies to individuals who do not have My Social Security online account and who are trying to apply for or update certain type of benefits. If you do have an online account, you are in the clear zone. No in-person visit is needed. So while this new policy sounds strict, it mostly impacts a small group of people in a specific situations. If you are a social security recipient and new to the channel, please subscribe for more news and updates on social security. A My Social Security account is your personal online access point to manage everything related to your benefits. It allows you to apply for a retirement, survivor, or disability benefits, check your payment history, change your address or direct deposit details, and view your earnings record. It's simple, fast, and secure. Most importantly, if you have this account, you won't be required to verify your identity in person. This online account is essentially your golden ticket to skip long lines and paperwork. With identity fraud beginning more sophisticated, the SSAs are learning heavily on digital verification as the fastest method of confirming who are you. Uh, well, Here are the four scenarios that require in-person identity verification if no online account. If you don't have a My Social Security account and you need to apply for or update a certain benefits, you may be required to verify your identity at your Social Security office. There are four main scenarios where this applies. The first one, if you are applying for retirement benefits, the regular monthly checks you get after a certain age. Second, if you are applying for survivor benefits after the death of a spouse or loved one. The third one is if you are applying for extraordinary benefits such as spousal benefits or child support related payments. And finally, if you are making changes to your direct deposit or mailing address. These updates may seem small, but because they could redirect funds, the SSA wants to be absolutely certain of your identity before making changes. While the policy makes a sense from a fraud prevention standpoint, it may unintentionally create hardships for some vulnerable individuals. Elderly Americans, particularly those in their 80s or 90s, may not be comfortable using computers or navigating online systems. Other may have mobility issues or live in from far from a social security office, making it difficult to attend in-person appointments. Some people may be dealing with dementia or severe health conditions, and asking them to verify their identity in person may feel overwhelming or impossible. For these individuals, the change could mean unnecessary stress or delays. The SSA says it will be flexible in sensitive or end of life situation, but how that flexibility plays out in practice remains to be seen. Uh, well, uh, if you fall into one of the groups that need to verify their identity in person, it's critical to plan ahead. Social security offices are often crowded with people waiting for hours just to be seen. The best way to avoid the chaos is by calling ahead and scheduling an appointment. Booking a time slot allows you to walk in, meet with a staff member, complete your verification without standing in line or for half the day. Well, without an appointment, you may have to return multiple times if you are missing any document, or if the office is simply too busy to serve you that day. Making a call and setting a date might be the smartest move you make this year. If you are worried about being forced to visit a government office, here's some good news. Not every type of benefit requires in-person identity checks. There are three major programs you can still access without stepping into a social security office, even if you don't have my social security account. These are social security disability insurance, SSDI, which supports people with long-term disabilities, Medicare, the federal health insurance program for people 65 and older, and supplemental security income, SSI, which provides a financial help to people with limited income and resources. These benefits can still be applied for or managed over the phone or online, and that's a relief for many Americans. Whenever a new policy like this is announced, misinformation spreads like wildfire. Some people are saying that this is an attempt to take benefits away from seniors or poor people's or poor people. Other are connecting it to Elon Musk's viral tweet about millions of 115 or even more older people still on social security, while fraud is a legitimate concern and better data systems are needed. This policy is not some secret government conspiracy. It's a targeted effort to improve identity verification for specific cases. Nobody's is taking your social security away. You won't lose your checks just because of this rule. Stay informed, but don't fall into the trap of fear monitoring posts on social media. Here's the bottom line. If you are already receiving social security benefits and your direct deposit or mailing address hasn't changed, this policy likely doesn't affect you at all. You don't need to call anyone, go online, or walk in to a social security office. Your checks will keep coming just like they always have. The SSA isn't trying to make life harder for people. It's a simple tightening up how to verify in identities with major updates or new claims are made. If everything is steady in your life, you can sit back, relax, and ignore the noise. For those who do need to apply for a retirement, survivor, or spousal benefits and don't already have a my social security account, there is a still a work around. You can begin your application by phone or even by mail in some cases, but at some point in the process, you will need to verify your identity. If you don't want to go in person, the best solution is to create your online account. That's the key. It eliminates the need for in-person verification and speeds up your application. For those who need help, trusted friends or family members can assist you in getting online safely. Many people wonder if a friend, a spouse can fill out social security applications on their behalf. The answer is yes, definitely yes, but with some important guidelines. If you are, if they are helping you log into or create your my social security account, and you are present during the process, there's usually no issue. But if someone tries to submit an application for you without that online account, social security will most likely require you to come in and verify your identity yourself. Well, this is where many people get tripped up. To avoid the hassle, it's best to either get your own online account or accompany the person helping you. There are rare but real situations where someone can't use a computer and physically cannot visit an SSA office. Think about someone who's terminally ill, or fully dependent on long-term care for those individuals. The SSA is supposed to provide a flexibility and accommodations in some cases of phone interviews, mail in documents, or authorized representatives can be used to verify identity, but these exceptions are not automatic and they may require documentation or extra steps. Well, if you are or loved one is in this situation, it's important to contact social security directly and ask for a guidance tailored on your specific cases. As with any government update, scammers will try to take advantage of the confusion. One growing tactic is spreading fake text messages that claims to be from Social Security, or going you to click a link to verify your identity. Well, these are always fake. The SSA will never ask for personal information by text messages. If you get one, delete it immediately. Never give your social security number or bank information to someone over the phone unless you initiated the call to an official number. Stick to the SSA's official website or verified phone numbers to make sure your information stays safe. This update might sound overwhelming at first, but once you understand the details, it's actually simple. If you have a My Social Security account, you're good. If you don't, and you need to apply for or change certain benefits, you may have to go in person. Most people won't be affected, but for those who are, there are ways to work around the inconvenience, whether you are applying soon or just want to stay ahead. The key is preparation. Help others who may be confused. Say alert for scams, and remember, knowledge is your best protection. If you like this video, please, it is requested to please do subscribe the channel and hit the like button for this video. Thanks for watching.